Alright, here we go. I put slots in it, too far away, they spin. It's okay to put one in there and then use one of these as a second one. But you can set these really nice, man. These work great. You lift it up and move this and lift this one up. Get this out of here. And you can hang on to anything. Set the clamps first, set the part in there. Back these off. Slide these around. Then get the other one underneath it. Bring it down the touch where you want it to, under your scrap. Lock it. Lock this up after you square it up. And then put this on. Move this one here. It's pretty good, man. I made 5 of them. One back there. I had that one locked down like a crazy. Work great. Bessy clamps. Good stuff. Bend yourself up some sheet metal. Use the same nut and top piece. Get a 5/16 bolt. I use socket screws. Socket cap. And you can machine that stuff all day. How many do you need? If you don't want to put it in the scrap, put it like this. Put a little piece of scrap underneath where it's going to touch. Put all the torque on that. Another piece of scrap. You're good.